Assalamu alaikum. This is Masood Hashmi and this is Mahmood Hashmi. He's my elder brother. He came from Buffalo. So today what I'm going to do, we're going to show you how to make samosas in air fryer. So this is what we're going to show you. So these are the samosas which we made before. It's in this plate and this is the air fryer. So we're going to open this. And this is the basket in which we're going to put this samosas. Lo Baijan, can you please put this in? Wow. He is a very good chef. He has been cooking in England. But he has been burning with sorry handis hard than this. But let's see how he does. Very good.
I want to do that today.
Yeah, very good.
One more.
One more here. All right. So we have put these samosas in this basket. Then we're going to put back in. And now we're going to shut it off. Now we're going to on it. Now we're going to on this air fryer. So first of all, we push the button on. Then we're going to press air fryer. So it says 400 Fahrenheit. Then I'm coming to this. So it's 20 minutes. So we will stop it at about 10 minutes and look at the samosas. So we're going to on it now. So it's working now. And we'll wait till 10 minutes happens. So these are the samosas which we call Punjabi samosas. That's why we are dressed like that, because we have been making Punjabi samosa whole day. So that now we're going to check it out, see how it is. It's about 11 minutes already in this
Air fryer.
So what are we going to do? We're going to shut it off now. It's off.
And I will taste all of them.
Yeah. So we're going to open it. Okay. Now, so bring it near, please, in this. So here is this one Punjabi samosa. Here's the another Punjabi samosa. Here's another one. So look, in 10 minutes, without any oil, we made these samosas. Baijan, you want to come and try this? So this is hot and spicy chutney by National, made in Pakistan, where we from. So I'm proud of it. So you put this on the side.
Wow.
Wow. And then you do like this and you eat like this. Bismillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Very good. We want you to make these samosas at home.
Sar gaya.
Thank you very much for watching this video.
Thank you.